Healthy morning habits are important if you want to lose weight. Habits monitor your behavior and schedule. If you develop some good morning habits for weight loss, then it will become easier to achieve your goals. Habits can help you to stick to your diet and exercise plan. Habits can help to boost your motivation. When you see that your habits are helping you to lose weight, it can be a great motivator to keep going. So, developing healthy morning habits are essential for weight loss success. It is important to start developing these morning habits so that you can get results in the long term. Weight loss doesn't have to be difficult. If you develop some good habits, then you will be well on your way to success. Some of the ways in which habits can help you lose weight include: drink a glass of water. Every person should start their morning with a glass of water. This is one of the simplest ways to enhance weight loss if we drink a glass of water, more importantly warm water, early in the morning. Water cleanses the digestive system and improves your metabolism. Water is essential for our bodies to function properly and maintain good health. Drinking a glass of water early in the morning rehydrates our bodies after a long night's sleep. It also helps to flush out toxins and boost our metabolism. You can also add a lemon to your water for an added boost of vitamin C. It is important to note that you should drink plenty of water throughout the day, not just in the morning if you are on a journey to lose weight. But starting your day with a glass of water is a great way to lose weight. Lukewarm water in the early morning will give better results in getting weight loss. Good breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and if you are still missing or skipping it for some reason, you might be sending an invitation to gain weight. Make sure your breakfast is rich in protein and fiber. A high-protein breakfast can reduce hunger and keep a person full for longer compared to a normal protein breakfast. Proteins will also decrease the level of the hunger hormone produced in the body, which is responsible for increasing appetite. Many people think that skipping breakfast will help them to lose weight. But, studies have shown that eating breakfast can actually help you lose weight. Breakfast provides our bodies with the energy and nutrients we need to start our day. It will make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Weigh yourself. You must weigh yourself regularly every morning if you want to lose weight. This will help you to track your progress and see how well you are doing. It is important to weigh yourself at the same time each day, preferably in the morning. You should also use the same scale each time so that you can get an accurate reading. Weighing yourself regularly is a great way to stay motivated and on track with your weight loss goals. You must not be discouraged if you are not getting speedy results. Weight loss is a slow and steady process, so do not expect to see immediate results overnight. Morning exercise. Exercise is a great way to boost your metabolism and burn calories early in the morning. But it is not necessary to go to the gym for a workout. Getting some exercise in the morning can help you jumpstart your day and get your body moving. Taking a brisk walk or going for a run are both great options. You can also try doing some bodyweight exercises at home. Exercising helps the body to burn excessive calories and improve density. Exercises are important to improve the overall health of a person, especially in the morning for weight loss. Start morning with sun. Allow lots of sunlight to come into the room during the morning. Starting the day with sunlight or spending a few extra minutes outside each morning may help your weight loss goals. Sun exposure may have an influence on weight. Sunlight can also help you meet your vitamin D needs, which may help increase weight loss and prevent weight gain. The amount of sun exposure you need can vary based on your skin type, the season, and your location. However, letting in some sunlight or sitting outside for 10 to 15 minutes each morning may have a beneficial effect on weight loss. Drink coffee or tea. Coffee and tea are great options for getting a little caffeine in the morning to lose weight. Caffeine can help to improve your focus and energy levels. It can also help to boost your metabolism. Just be sure not to add too much sugar or cream to your coffee or tea. Green tea is also a good option because it is full of antioxidants that can help to maintain your body weight. Plan your meals. If you're looking to lose weight, it's important to plan your meals in advance. You should plan in the morning so that you know what you're going to eat for the rest of the day. Planning your meals ahead of time will help you to make healthier choices and avoid unhealthy impulse decisions. This will help you make sure you're eating healthy foods and staying on track. Planning your meals can also help you save money and time. Meal planning doesn't have to be complicated. Just start by planning out a few meals and snacks that you can have during the week. Pack your lunch. Pack your lunch from the home instead of opting for canteen-made food or takeaway if you're going to be away from home for a job or other. Including this in your morning routine will help you to avoid unhealthy choices when you're feeling hungry. Packing your own snacks can also help you save money. You can pack fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grain crackers for a healthy snack option. This will help you avoid temptation and make healthy choices when you're on the go. This way, you'll always have something healthy to eat when you're feeling hungry. And if you're traveling, make sure to pack snacks for the plane or car ride. This will help you avoid unhealthy foods. Good sleep. You must get up early in the morning after completing a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep has been linked to an increase in calorie intake. Several studies have found that sleep deprivation may be associated with an increased appetite. Establishing a healthy sleep schedule is essential for weight loss, along with eating well and exercising. To maximize your results for weight loss, you must take 8 hours of sleep per night. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating is a great way to lose weight, and it should be started in the morning. It's all about being aware of what you're putting into your body and paying attention to how it makes you feel. It's all about being present and aware of what you're eating. This means paying attention to your hunger and stopping yourself when you're full. It also means avoiding distractions while you're eating. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and focus on your food. This will help you to eat less and enjoy your food more. Mindful eating is a great way to lose weight and improve your relationship with food. Set realistic goals. Set realistic goals. If you're looking to lose weight, it's important to set realistic goals. This means setting goals that are achievable and realistic for you. For example, if you're starting from scratch, it might not be realistic to try to lose 20 pounds in a month. But losing 5 pounds in a month is definitely achievable. It's also important to set goals that are specific and measurable. This means setting a goal like, I want to lose 2 pounds this week. This way, you'll be able to track your progress and see if you're on track to reach your goal. Make sure your morning habits are helping you reach your goals. Track your progress. One of the most reliable morning habits for weight loss is tracking your daily progress. This means recording what you eat, how much you exercise, and your weight on a regular basis. This will help you to see your progress and make necessary changes to reach your weight loss goals. There are many ways to track your progress. You can use a journal, an app, or even just a notebook. Find a method that works for you and make sure to track your progress every day. This morning habit will help you stay on track and reach your weight loss goals with ease and early. The daily commute. When you go to your job or other business daily in the morning, changing up your commute may be a simple way to speed up your weight loss journey. Driving may be one of the most convenient ways to go to work, but it is not good for your weight loss goals. Walking, cycling, and using public transportation have all been associated with less weight gain and lower body weight and body fat, compared to driving to work. These are just a few of the many morning habits that can help you lose weight. Start your day with these healthy habits and you will certainly achieve your goal to lose weight. Keep in mind that healthy habits are ones you can stick with long term, not just for a few weeks or months. For best results, make sure you combine these morning habits with a well-rounded diet and healthy lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to making any lifestyle change, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. With a little effort and dedication, you'll be on your way to reaching your weight loss goals in the long run. We hope after following these tips you will be able to lose weight.